Hi, I'm Rachel, founder of Under the Dancing Tree School of Sacred Dance and Healing, and today in this video I will be sharing with you a little bit about flower essences. So what are flower essences? Why use them? How can they support you and your healing journey? And at the end I'll also be sharing a little bit about a consultation and what that involves and how you can actually take and receive the healing powers of flower essences. So firstly, what are flower essences? Well, they are a holistic approach to well-being, health and healing. They work on an energetic and vibrational level. So we do work very intimately and very closely with the flowers. However, for example, if you think about herbal medicine, you're using the actual plant and its chemical properties, its biological properties within the formula. Whereas because flower essence work on an energetic and vibrational level, we're actually working with the energy and the vibration of the plant. So if you think about every person, every animal has, you might want to call it an essence or a soul or a spirit, then flower essences really supports and believes that the flower and the plants and the trees also have this soul and this spirit as well, and that an essence of that plant will come into the formula, into the essence itself, and then you will ingest that within yourself, and that soul of the plant will meet your soul. So it's a real meeting on the energetic level. And it works in many different ways, emotionally, spiritually and physically. So it can help all ailments, from the physical to the spiritual. It can work very strongly with the chakras in our chakra system. So there are certain flowers that are going to match certain chakras and their themes, and each one has a very unique kind of blueprint, very unique message that it's wanting to share with you, and a very specific way that's going to help you. So for example of this, we can have trees that can be very, very grounding, very wonderful for the root chakra, such as oak and red cedar, and they're going to help you with that stability. So if you think about the themes of the root chakra, and then emotionally as well, still working with the chakras but on all emotional levels, then they're going to help with, for example, if you need some calming. So we have lavender and chamomile are known to be calming in their chemical properties, but also their essence as well. A really loving, beautiful essence that is there to help bring calm to your whole system. And then spiritually as well, essences, as I say with all of the work that I do, whether it's dance healing or goddess or moon mysteries or essences here as well, then it's really as deep as you want to take it, and also trusting that you will be taken to the depth that you are ready to go to. So flower essences can be completely profound and life transforming, as they have been for me, and really get down through the deep layers, working through clearing and healing deep-seated patterns, habits and traumas. At the very least, they will support your whole well-being and your whole holistic body, like I said, on all of those levels. So a little bit about what the essence is physically. So I wanted to show you this bottle. Now in this bottle is a flower essence. So I've actually made a formula here for myself. So you can see I've called it my magic healing potion. So in this is the formula that you would receive if you were to have a consultation with me, or if you were to buy one in the shops. And here in the UK you can buy Bach healing remedies. So in this is, well, I use spring water from here in North Wales, using really sacred pure water that's come straight from the mountains. And then there is a little bit of brandy, and there is in all of the essences, so please be aware of that, if you're wanting to work with them. There are alternatives if you don't want to have alcohol, but it's a very, very tiny amount, as I'm going to show you now. And then in here, what I do is, when I have a consultation with you, which takes from about 60 to 80 minutes, we will meet online and we'll have a chat and we'll talk about what it is that you're currently going through, what it is that you need, and just whatever comes up. And then we'll have a short time together in a guided journey and a meditation as well to really sink into what is being called in that moment. From that, I will then create you a formula. So all of these formulas are lovingly created by me, and it'll go into one of these bottles, and then after a consultation you'll receive it within a week to 2 weeks. And then what you do with the formula, really easy, is you're just going to 3 times a day take 3 drops. So you'll see we have the essence here. You're just going to take 3 drops under your tongue 3 times a day. As simple as that. Really, really easy. And just be in that space of being willing to receive the healing, the lessons and the gifts that those plants have to offer you. And I will invite you to breathe deeply and to fully receive them and be present. And then you can journal. You can make notes of your journey, and I will check in with you as well about what's happening. And what manifests can be very different. You know, as unique as we all are, your experience will be completely unique to you. So like I said, it will go as deep as you want. And some people find that, you know, within moments that they feel a difference. For some people, they will look back and then they'll notice, you know, after a few days, or they'll see that they've maybe started acting differently. So that is the formula itself, and that's a little bit about the consultation and flower remedies. And if anybody has any questions, then please do comment in the comments below, share with me, and also reach out for a consultation. Like I said, I do offer them for anybody, so any age, any size, any place, anywhere. So here in Europe, then you can reach out and I can make an appointment with you, and I would really love you to receive the healing of flower essences. They're a really beautiful approach to holistic well-being, and really sustainable as well for those that are passionate about that we use a minimal amount of the plant. So this is really how I see kind of remedies going into the future, you know, minimal use. I'm really connecting with Mother Nature on that soul level that is so nourishing. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope to meet you soon and to begin this beautiful flower essence journey with you. As I said, any questions, please do comment and reach out as well. Thank you very much. Sending you lots and lots of love.